The new Honda City is 1.5 liter, that is 1500 cc petrol option engine. It's an IV Tech model. It has got 120 bhp brake horsepower. It's a very well refined engine series from Honda with all new features. New City HEV comes with safety technologies. AVAS, that means acoustic vehicle alerting system. At low speed EV mode, it comes with 6 airbags, Honda lane watch, multi-angle rear view camera and tire pressure monitoring system. Honda City new model is coming in 4 variants. Let me explain you that. It comes in SV, V, VX, ZX options. The new version pricing starts from 11.5 lakh to 16 lakh. Petrol variants only at showroom. THEV facelift model will be priced between 18.89 and 20.39 showroom. The City now gets a reworked grille designed for the 16-inch alloy wheels. This 2023 facelift styling tweaks up its appeal. The chrome on its new grille is toned down, more tastefully executed. Chunky slab, new of the pre-facelift iteration. The most VFM variant of the Honda City. TV IV Tech just 12.37x showroom. Open model XCVT Honda City priced at 16x showroom are the top models. I mean the best models. Car is really most reliable and a very successful car from generations. Based asset also. It can be set as a lifetime car too. The City is the undisputed king of the segment. The Honda City with 120 bhp and 1500cc IV Tech well refined engine series. It's a very good lifetime car.